Welcome everybody, it's Scott. Travel About. We're here in Branson, Missouri today, and we're looking around doing some free things. We're going to do a little hiking today. Got the backpack, a little water, a little snack bar, and we're doing something called a waterfall trail. Highly recommended on Travelocity or something. Travel, you know, the best things you can do in Branson sites. Anyway, we've been traveling around trying to find the place. We finally found the parking lot to it. I'll put a pretty good description in the description box for you on how to find this parking lot. Anyway, I don't know where the trail is. I think we're going that way. Let's go. So we're looking here at the Royal Oak Charcoal right there, and they're sharing their parking lot area here. And all these folks are down on the trail somewhere, which honestly I don't know where it is, but I think it's another road up the top of the hill there. Anyway, we're waiting on Leslie. Not sure what she's doing. There she goes. She's got her sticks today. And let's go find some waterfalls. It says Westgate. I don't know what that is. It's like a private entrance, whatever it is. This is what you're looking for. Oh, there's a picture. Let's go look at the picture, y'all. Might help us when we're down there trying to figure out what we're doing. Alright, trail parking here. Waterfall here, so it's quite the hike. Hopefully, so anyway, we're right here on Rourke Valley Road, Shepherd of the Hills Expressway, and just kind of off to the side is a little road, and that's where we're parked at. So the waterfall looks like it's a pretty decent hike. Is this the trail?
That's what I'm trying to figure out.
I don't know. This looks like some train tracks. Is this the trail? Or is that the trail up there? Now look, up here there's a picture of hikers going the other way. That don't make no sense. Well guys, we have no idea where the trail is. Well, we got lucky, guys. The lady that was sitting in her car where we were looking at the sign finally took pity on us and told us where the trail is. So we're thinking the water is over there, but it's actually over there. So that sign with the hikers on it to the right is correct. And that's where we're going. So the trail is directly in front of this Westgate Branson Woods Resort.
It's worth it.
Oh, good.
It's worth it.
I figured the rains would have helped.
You're the smart one though with the walking sticks.
This time, yes, thanks. I enjoy them.
Alright guys, you heard it. The lady says it's worth it. So we're gonna do it. So we already read that the trail was a little rough. That's why she's bringing her sticks. I'll put these in the description for you. They're collapsible. They come with a variety of feet. So, you know, if you want to use a different foot on it for different terrain like sand or something, they come with that. They're not very expensive. We picked them up on Amazon. Anyway. Well, the first part of the trail is nice and flat and smooth, so no problems here. Aha, awesome. I love signs. Trail crosses the creek. Cool, we're gonna cross a creek, y'all. Are your boots waterproof?
Sort of, yeah.
Well, I'm wearing sneakers and they're definitely not waterproof. Oh, okay, there's the part we were reading about.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah. Okay, super rocky. And we're going downhill pretty quick. At least it's not wet or slippery. I see the creek.
Not trust myself.
You probably can't see the creek on this camera, but it's right there. But we're not going that way. We're going to cross it somewhere else. Oh man, the temperature dropped like 10 degrees as soon as we got down in this shade, closer to the water. Super nice, guys. Okay, so it looks like a lot of people have walked that way, but I'm pretty sure the trail just continues here. There's always a problem on some of these trails. People take a different route and then the next person takes that route, right or wrong, usually wrong. And then before you know it, there's a whole nother trail going somewhere that doesn't go anywhere. Stay on the trail, people. Okay, well, I'm gonna go off the trail. I'm gonna do everything I just said you shouldn't do. But we're doing it for you guys, because I want to look at the pictures. The leaves over here. This is nice. Cold. Cold. Let's get back on the trail. Okay, back to it. I didn't see anywhere on there any distances, so I have no idea how far we're going to walk.
Somebody said 20 minutes.
20 minutes both ways or 20 minutes one way?
I'm not sure.
Okay. Alright, it's getting a little wet down here, guys, because we had some rains and the river probably rose and went back down again. Our trail apparently has ended already. Pretty muddy right there. Honestly, don't know if we're on the trail anymore. It just sort of ended. I don't really see a trail. I feel like I'm walking in the creek now. This is confusing because it isn't marked. I don't know if we're in the creek, on the path, not on the path. I have no flipping idea anymore. I am totally confused. There's no semblance or resemblance of a path here anymore. But I do see some people up there, so at least we are going the right direction. Maybe just not on the correct way to do it. I have no idea. Anyway, we're going to continue on, guys. Let's see what we can find. That's a heck of a dam there. So how'd they get over there? That's what I want to know. I don't know how they got over there, but it must be on the other side of this dam. We cross over somewhere. Here, let's go up here. This looks right. Okay, guys. Yeah, I think so. Oh, look at that. A sign that says trail. I could have used that back there. There's a sign that says trail this way. A baby shoe? You know, as we travel this country, crisscrossing back and forth across the U.S., seeing everything you can see, you would just be absolutely amazed at the number of single shoes we see. Now, I don't get it. I'm almost 60 years old. I've never lost a shoe in my life. And I sure as hell have never lost one shoe. Yet, we see single shoes on the interstates, on the roads, on the trails. We see a single shoe everywhere. Let me know in the comments, how is that possible? I mean, who loses a shoe and then just keeps on going? If I lost a shoe off of my foot, I think I'd at least stop and pick it up. I don't know.
Yeah, somebody carrying a child could lose it and not realize.
I can understand a child's shoe. Maybe they kick it off and the parent doesn't know it, but we see a lot of adult shoes. Look at this tree that fell here, guys.
Nice rock overhang.
Little tadpole just jumped in front of me. All right, the trail continues. I hear water running. I think we're going to be coming up on a waterfall shortly. I plan on going all the way. I'm going to see the big waterfalls too. Half a mile is only a few minutes. Yeah, we definitely got some water running here. Hear it? Waterfall number 1, kind of small, but here it is. We're gonna go find a bigger one. Didn't get far before I found something cool. This whole rock wall face to my right is like an overhang. So I'm going to see if I can get this in the camera for you. We're gonna see if we can get up there where they're at. I think all we got to do is walk up the hill. A little hairy up here, but not bad. Oh, look at all the holes in the rocks. Awesome. one more little trickly waterfall over here, and I'm going to attempt to get to it. Across all the loose, slippery rocks. And here it is. Oh, you can get real close to this one. I'm getting wet. Good thing I got a waterproof camera, right?